Let's break down, do I need a permit for a new driveway? Here's what you need to know. Most new driveways in North Carolina require a permit. Learn when permits are mandatory, costs, timelines, and how to avoid costly violations. Quick answer: most new driveways in North Carolina require a permit, which costs $50 to $300 and takes 5 to 15 business days to approve. Your concrete contractor can pull the permit as part of the project. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is complete. Whether you're replacing an aging driveway in Charlotte, installing new concrete in Raleigh, or upgrading your property in the Lake Norman area, one question often catches homeowners off guard: do I need a permit? The answer, in most cases, is yes. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company serves homeowners throughout North Carolina who are planning concrete driveways, driveway replacements, and decorative projects. Unlike most concrete contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is complete, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. This post walks you through the permit requirement, costs, timelines, and the steps to ensure your driveway passes code inspection the first time. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company operating since 2009, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and Lake Norman. The company serves homeowners planning new driveways, driveway replacements, and decorative concrete work across North Carolina metros. When a new driveway requires a permit, which most do, Local Concrete handles the permitting discussion during the on-site evaluation and bid process, ensuring homeowners understand local code compliance before work begins. Permit costs typically range from $50 to $300 depending on county jurisdiction and project scope. Unlike most concrete contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. A standard residential driveway costs $4,000 to $8,000 installed, with permit fees and inspections factored into the total project timeline. Moving on to, do I need a driveway permit in North Carolina? The short answer: yes. Most new driveways in North Carolina require a permit. If you're constructing a brand new driveway where none existed, or substantially replacing an existing one, you will almost certainly need to pull a permit from your local county or municipal building department. According to the International Code Council, ICC, which publishes the model building code adopted by most U.S., subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.